You really want the tires to explode, don't you? Welcome back, guys, to part number 2 of how durable is an AU Falcon. In this video, what we're going to do, we are going to try to see if the AU Falcon can run on Vegemite. I spent $90 on 5 litres of Vegemite. I could have bought some Primo 5W30 for that. Right, let me know if it's single pegs. If it's single pegs, then we got a problem. Oh, did it single peg?
I'm not sure. You might have to go. I think you might have to go a bit faster for us to find out.
A bit faster? Alright.
What the f? It's single pegs.
Which one?
This one.
That's a problem. That's a problem. Tough.
I think these taillights will really help us lock up the diff.
Hey, it fit.
Do you reckon this will fit?
That'll fit. Dude, this is better and cheaper than a spool. Yeah, f***ing oath. Yeah. Can I have some more?
Lovely Festiva. You are Ford glass going into a Ford. Ford glass going into an Aussie Ford.
Oh, tough. It's too big. Missed. Rock.
It's still open. It'll work like an LSD now.
Yuck.
Yep. Oh, close as mint now.
Probably never gonna open again.
Do a mad lad, you burn out. Do a skid. Do a skid, you burn out.
I gotta drive it a bit to let the glass sort of like get into those spider gears.
Burn out will get the fucking...
You reckon? Burn out?
Yeah. Burn out.
Alright, burn out.
Start in first, and then just slam it into third.
Hold it in, put it in second. Hold it about 4.5 grand. And then dump the clutch. Then just hold it.
Keep it going, son! Turn it to a stance car. Oh, you're good.
I'm gonna tighten the tires pop.
Yep.
Yeah, double baby.
Yes!
It worked. Bro, it's doubling. Our method worked. That's right, guys. Don't weld your diff. Don't put a spool in. Put glass shards in. Put dirt in. Put rocks in, and that's gonna be better than a locker.
Oh my god. Don't hit me. It's doubling like crazy, mate.
Dude, this is gonna save you money, guys. This will save you money. Is it doubling?
Go again.
Hey! Yeah.
It's a bad burnout, I'll tell you that.
Buried. That's like, it's like 40 centimeters in the ground, almost half a meter. What? Dude, oh, that's legit like half a meter, bro. Look, I'm your height now, Alex.
That's shorter than me, mate.
That looks better.
Intake.
Oh, oh, that's stinky.
Rexton, open your door.
Open the door.
How dare you
there,
get
bro.
dirt into the intake, man? That's so good for the engine.
We got 5 liters of Vegemite. All right, we're not f***ing around here, guys. This cost me $9 a jar.
Give one to the cameraman.
He said it costs more than his AU.
Yeah, he sold his on for $100.
Look at this. It's got vitamins for vitality. Now, personally, I don't really rate Vegemite. I don't think it's the best flavor. I prefer burnt rubber.
Pallet only has one
that was for you,
taste.
Peter.
It is burnt rubber. Every morning you have to eat Vegemite, but you get paid 10 grand a week.
Fuck yeah. We need all hands on deck because we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Scoop.
Scooper.
Joel's onto it.
Oh, go, let's begin. All right, guys, we have 5 liters of Vegemite into the intake. That's not a pretty sight, bro. But yeah, have a sauce.
Yeah, we'll get the Vegemite.
Yeah. Oh man, that was not easy. Maybe we'll put some in the coolant. Do you reckon?
Yeah.
I reckon it might work as a good coolant. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, GG, Peter. Cheers, bro. Alright, I'm closing the cap. Use 10W30 oil.
All right, guys. 10W30 or Vegemite.
Don't you Simba.
Simba. Got his fists out.
Simba. Nay.
Let me get my valuables out like the camera.
Start her up.
Man! Hey, it's running! Hey. Oh shit, it's still going!
Now I think.
The RPM stopped. What the hell? It's still running. It's still going. Oh, it's dead. It's dead. that was long, dude. That was like 4 or 5 minutes. 4.5 minutes. Oh. What?
It literally all the Vegemite sprayed everywhere. It's got no Vegemite left, no beer from the coolant, nothing. No oil. No.
Dude, I'm
actual-
shocked that it ran that long. It just kept going and going, and it just died, and then you just started again, and it was mint. It's like it fixes itself. Self-healing. Ford's a self-healing, bro. Whoa.
Was that the dipstick? That's the only thing that went.
That's impressive, guys. It ran like 4 or 5 minutes on limiter.
It's like 8 minutes on the middle.
8 minutes with Vegemite. She's completely done. It proves that AU Falcons are a stout car. If you want to drift these, if you want to use these as daily, mint. Burnout car, yeah, no issues. I mean, you should probably protect the fuel tank. We could have had a problem there, but luckily it didn't explode.
Look at the window, look at the window. All the doors still work. She's done.
In the next video, we durability test my JZX100 Chaser. I am just joking. If you want to help support the channel and see more videos like this, then please head over to benkyspec.com. We have some new merchandise in stock. And guys, if you want to see us run more cars on Vegemite or other weird substances, then comment down below the car that you want to see and also the substance you want to see put in an engine. That video was super fun to make, and I appreciate all of you guys sticking around watching this video. We got other cars to build, so yep, head over to the channel if you want to see some more sick builds. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Goodbye. Hectic.